Do you love being creative and making things? Are you interested in photography and photo editing? Do you want to add to your creative portfolio? Are you looking to pursue a career in graphic design? If you've answered yes to any of these questions, Photoshopped might be the right course for you. I'm Chris Ambedkar and I'm currently teaching Photoshop, the art of image retouching. This course is broken into a 1-hour lecture and 2-hour lab. Lecture topics include the ethics of Photoshop, non-destructive image editing, color retouching, retouching tools, filters, blend modes. The labs follow tutorials outlined in a press book created by Rich Adams and Jason Lisi. There are 7 tutorials in the course that are outlined in this press book. In terms of assignments, here's what you can expect. We've broken it into 3 chunks. There are tutorial exercises that are about 25% of your mark. These are 6 mini tutorial exercises where you will take your own photos and you'll apply what was learned in the tutorial to that photo. The next chunk consists of your quizzes, which are worth 25% of your mark. Instead of midterms and an exam for this course, we've broken it down into 5 quizzes. Each of them are worth 5%, and they're scheduled throughout this semester. And then the last chunk, the biggest chunk, are your assignments, and these are worth 50% of your final grade. You'll be using Photoshop to create an album cover, something like you've seen on Spotify or Apple Music, and then you'll also be using Photoshop to create a larger-than-life magazine cover. For the larger-than-life assignment, you'll be taking an object and making it seem larger than it actually is using Photoshop. In fall 2020, 93% of the students in this course agreed that the work that they created from the assignment could be used in their actual creative portfolio. This course is super fun and creative. No matter what your skill level is, there's definitely opportunity for you to learn and grow as a creative. So what are we waiting for? Let's get Photoshopped.